How hard do we train in the gym? This is going to be a very important topic to discuss because this is how we're going to be able to get stronger each week. This is going to get you to feel like you're winning, which makes lifting a lot more fun. Now, before we're getting into the meat and potatoes, it's very much worth mentioning that depending on your level of experience, this might differ. Now, if you're someone that is just getting into the gym, okay, then this might not necessarily apply to you as much. In the first year, what is known as beginner gains is a very real thing. And so, what happens, guys, is when you initially go into training, your muscles nuclei are a lot more responsive. So, you're just going to get strong as is. But as you're more advanced, okay, more towards the moderate and advanced lifting, okay, getting gains becomes a lot harder. And so, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to follow RPE and RIIR. And what RPE, guys, is it's a perceived scale of effort, okay? 1 being the furthest away from failure, 10 being failure. Now, RIR stands for reps in reserve, and it's also correlated to RPE. And so what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm saying that a RPE of 1 means that you could do 9 reps until you reach failure. 10 would be failure. But what we're going to want to go ahead and do is each week on our lifts, we're going to want to go for that sweet spot being 8. That means you're going to have 2 reps left in your reserve to meet failure. Now, that obviously gives us a little bit of leeway each week to utilize the progressive overload techniques to be able to use a micro step or a progression to get stronger each week. Okay, so again, we're going to focus on 8 RPE. Okay, that would mean that you have 2 more reps until you meet failure. So depending on the weight that you choose, okay, that is only going to mean that you could only do 2 more reps. That's all you have left in the tank to meet failure.